Hello everyone, welcome to Mentors Buddy. My name is Akhil Gautam. Okay, now today we discuss a simple topic that is based on calendars. Basically, calendars is another extended form of number system only. It works on remainders. How? First, any normal year, that is 1 year, comprises of another 365 days. And if we discuss about a leap year, one leap year comprises of another 366 days. We know this, that every normal year comprises of 365 days and one leap year comprises of another 366 days. Okay, understanding one simple thing. Let's say one normal year comprises of 365 days. I need to figure out what are the extra days in the in particular year. So in order to figure out the number of extra days, I'm going to divide it by 7 and I'll get the remainder, that is 1. How come I'm getting the 1? Because if I'll divide simply 365 by 7, 52 times will go as 364 and remainder will be plus 1. So this shows one normal year comprises of another 52 complete weeks and this one extra day. So similarly, if we discuss about a leap year, so leap year comprises of another 366 days and dividing it by 7, that is going to give me 2. The remainder of 2 implies in one leap year there are 2 extra days, right? So these are two important things which we have to understand in form of a calendar, that is one normal year comprises of 365 days and 1 extra day, one leap year comprises of 366 days and 2 extra days. Another important thing about the calendar, that is any year which is a multiple of 4 and 400, any year which is a multiple of 4 and 400 is a leap year, and among them any year which is a multiple of 100 is not a leap year. Any year which is a multiple of 4 and 400 is a leap year, and among them any year which is a multiple of 100 is not a leap year. So for example, 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on tending up till 96, these all are going to be leap year, but year 100 is not a leap year. Similarly, 200, 300 are again not a leap year, but 400 is a leap year. Why so? Because 400 is a multiple of 400. So any year which is a multiple of 4 and 400 is a leap year, and among them any year which is a multiple of 100 is not a leap year. So according to this logic, let's say I'm taking one date, that is 1st of January 2013. Let's say at this date, that is 1st of January 2013, it was Monday, right? Now question is, what is going to be the day on 1st of January 2014? Now here I can see what the day year is extended with. 2013 is not a leap year, it is a normal year. So from this year to this year there's an extension, or there's a gap of 365 days. So I can understand one simple thing, that there's a gap of 365 days which are making 52 perfect weeks, and there will be one extra day, implies from this date to this date calendar will be shifted one day ahead, one day extra. So if it is Monday at this date, so it will be Tuesday at this date, that will be 1st of January 2014, just exactly after 1 year. But now let's say I'm taking one another date, that is now I am taking 2nd of January 2016, and the question is what will be the day on 2nd of January 2016. 2017 if it is Friday on this date. So from Friday at this date, that is 2nd of January 2016, and that will be what will be the day on 2nd of January 2017. So now in this case I can see that the year 2016 is a leap year. So from this year till reaching this date, there's a gap of another 366 days. Why so? Because 2016 is a leap year. So there's an extension of another 2 days, implies from this day to this date the calendar will be shifted 2 days ahead. So in case if it is Friday at this date, so it will be Sunday on this date. Keeping the same thing into the mind, let's solve one another question. So the question says, in the year 2003 there are 28 days in February and 365 days in a year. In 2004 there will be 29 days in a February and 366 days in an year. So if the date March 11 2003 is Tuesday, what will be the day on March 11 2004? So here I can see the date which is given, that is 28th, the date which is given, that is 11th of March 2003, and the next date is given, that is 11th of March 2004. If it is Tuesday at this date, then what will be the day at this date? Now remembering the logic which we had understood previously, that from this date, that is 2003 to 2004, 2003 is not a leap year, but the year 2004 is a leap year, and the leap year day, extra day, will be counted before this date. So there's a gap of another 366 days. There's a concept of leap year is working over here. So 360 days implies the calendar will be shifted 2 days ahead. So 2 days ahead, if it is Tuesday on this day, so it will be Thursday at 11th of March 2004. So in this case the correct answer should be option number B, that is Thursday.